So far, we have been learned about how to create a campaign, adding a campaigns, adding a ad groups, and analyzing a ad groups, adding a ads to your ad groups, additional ads, and analyzing them, and video analysis. If you have created any video ads, then landing page analysis for which are the pages you have been linked to your ad, keyword analysis we have been done, and audience analysis, as well as the demographic placement, campaign setting we have been learned, and campaign wise we have been learned about here in a more option we learn location analysis, A/B testing by using a draft and this one experiments we have been learned about a campaign experiments also. Okay, now for example any ads if you like to run, in the sense for example these ads to be run properly, then we need to update the billing details. Our billing details need to be updated. Okay, otherwise your ad will not be running, because whenever someone click on your ad it will be charged, and when it is charged you need to pay to Google. In the sense you need to add a debit card or credit card, and from there it will be get paid automatically. In the sense whenever the campaign ends, for example this campaign end by a one particular date on 10th of the um, October. Once you have been end on a 10th of the October, okay, it will your account will be deducted by that much of amount, in the sense how much you have been consumed. It will not be like 150 rupees per day. Someday it may be 100 rupees. One day it may be consumed 50 rupees. One day maybe 150 rupees. Like that, it will add up all days budget and in the sense expenditure, and it will be billed on a end of the day, end of the campaign. So to do that one we have to update a billing details. We have to update here on a tools and setting. Beside that we have a billing updates, billing details. Click on that billing. Here we have to give the details about the billing, like which country belongs to, which currency we are paying in which currency, which type of the account do you have. Do you have a business account or a individual account? Okay, the kind of the account you have. Then you can give the card number. Either you can select a debit card or a credit card or a uh, net banking or money transfer, whichever the payment method you can select, which payment method you prefer. Okay, that particular payment method you can select, and you can give the details about your payment. For example, if you are selecting a credit card, card number. If you are selecting any of the Google Pay, then Google Pay link it will ask. Okay, Google Pay link it will ask. So by that you can select, and you can give the your billing name. Okay, name and address for a bill to send a bill. Okay, then you can say manual payment or automatic payment. If it is a Google Pay, it will be manual payment. You need to click on Google again. In a Google Pay again you have to give a permission. Otherwise you can select a card. Okay, debit card or credit card, and you can say here payment amount. In the sense one payment, it's like a wallet. Okay, you will be paying around 5,000 rupees. Okay, up to you are spending on the 5,000 rupees, your ad will be run. For example, your budget is around 3,000 rupees. You have to add 3,000 rupees to a Google ad account. Okay, once you have been added 3,000 rupees, you have to say I agree, then submit. Okay, once you have been paid to the 3,000 rupees to the Google ads, once you have been paid to the Google ads, then your ads will start running. In the sense till that your ads will not be running. So that we have to update a billing. Okay, once you have been set with all the ads, once you have been set with all the ads, ad group, everything you have been set, the schedule, everything you have been done. Once you have done with that, to run the particular ads in a Google platform, we need to update a billing. Okay, in billing we have to pay them the budget you have to pay. Within that budget, it will not be consumed. For example, if you are adding here about automatic payment also, you can add here. Okay, once you have been added automatic payment, automatically it will deduct. Okay, if you are selecting a manual payment, in the sense, initially you have to credit to the Google ad account. It is like how you are crediting in any of the wallets, any of the like a phone pay, how you are keeping the money within that particular wallet. Similarly, we can keep some money in a wallet by using a manual payment, or we can use a automatic payment. In the sense, whenever the bill comes, it will automatically deducted from your bank account. Okay, this will be about a billing. Okay, and we have been learned about all thing about like Google ads, how to create a ads. Even you can also learn about a keyword planner. Okay, keyword planner, we already have a section separate videos for a keyword planner, you can refer those videos. Okay, and this is nothing but your Google ad account number. This, it will be important, it should not be shared with anyone, your Google ad account. Okay, account number. Okay, it should not be shared with a third party operators. And one more thing, I would like to say here, you will not be able to learn each and everything on a first day when you are starting a Google ads. Okay, you are starting creating a ads and posting a ads. Eventually you will be trying to learn each of the aspects. Okay, because it will not be possible to learn each and everything in a single day. And you maybe now you maybe learn about creating a ads and how to run the ads. These things you have been learned. But to make it perfect, if you like to be master in that particular area, then we have to create more and more ads, and we have to learn from each insights, like how we have been given from where you can analyze, right? You can analyze from the each section, we can analyze. Okay, in terms of cost wise, click wise, conversion rate wise, we can analyze, and we can improve our ads day by day. It will not be possible to first day itself you can post an ad with improved ad. In the sense, you will be expecting a more and more clicks and traffic, but eventually you will be able to learn that one step by step. In the sense, first we have to start creating a ads. Once we have been run ad for 1 or 2 days, then you will come to know that okay, what has been work for me, what is not working for me, what is not working for my business. Like this you will slowly will be getting into know, you will get to know about which keyword will be suitable, which type of the ad is effective for me. There are many types of the ad, search ad, video ad is there. So which type of the ad is best for me? Like this you can keep on learning. Okay, if you start posting up more and more ads. Okay, this is about a Google ads. Okay, and one of the most used digital marketing tool, in the sense to promote a brand or a product, or do a online marketing, in the sense of online business. Okay, it will be very important to know about a Google ads. This is all about a Google ads. We have been covered each and everything in a Google ads.